Are you still drying your hands in a primitive way? Or in a way that destroys the forest and breaks the bank? What if there is a way to dry your hands eco-friendly, economically, and hygienically? Introducing Nyuair, a household high-speed hand dryer perfect for your bathroom and kitchen. Nyuair has a unique air duct to create an output air 3.5 times the intake. The powerful motor works at 110,000 revolutions per minute to deliver the mightiest airflow to dry your hands most efficiently. Nyuair is automatically activated to force out warm, filtered air to dry your hands in seconds once movement is detected. What's more, the built-in UV lamp in the air duct ensures that the outgoing air is sterile and clean. You can effortlessly mount it on the wall or on the table stand that comes with it. The high-density composite antibacterial nylon filter can be removed, washed, and reused. The magnet design allows you to snap the panel back on with a simple click. No need to worry about your family being bothered by loud noises. It is only 60 to 70 decibels while using. Nyuair offers a 1-year hassle-free replacement warranty for all backers. Back us and get a Nyuair hand dryer now.